Hello, craft enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Barely Art Precision Craft Glue, the ultimate adhesive solution for all your creative projects. This bundle includes an 11-ounce refill bear in a 4-ounce working bottle, complete with a precision tip kit, ensuring you have everything you need for a professional level finish. With multiple sized tips, you gain unparalleled accuracy, freedom, and control, allowing you to twist and snap them into place effortlessly. Our glue is wrinkle and clump resistant, specially formulated to stay smooth and minimize warping, so your crafts maintain their pristine appearance. Proudly made in the USA, this glue offers an industrial strength bond that's safe for any project, and it's not your typical PVA glue. Plus, it's freeze-thaw stable, tested for up to 5 cycles, making it the perfect choice for year-round crafting, even during the holidays. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, Barely Art Precision Craft Glue is your go-to adhesive for strong, flexible, and crack-resistant results every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.